Kesar is an influential personality.
Actually, I was so depressed. Learned so much from her.
She is an angel.
She's a real gem, to be honest. One in a million, I should say. Yeah, I'm so
Oh,
excited.
that's so sweet. So Miss Suchi is a real-time volunteer. Today is a testimony for that. Don't
silence.
suffer
Yeah.
in silence. Yeah, we are so proud of you.
Also blessed. It's my honor. Suchi, she's a game changer. Actually, she's a game.
We all are celebrities in our own way. Cheers for that.
When kindness crosses screens and turn into a real life magic, this podcast is going to melt your heart. Welcome to Happiness with Hema, from dreams to reality. She gave hope and he found strength.
So guys, welcome to Happiness with Hema. And with me today is Miss Suchi and Kesar.
Friends, stay tuned for real talk, real stories with Miss Suchi and Kesar Hamid. Hema Talk, Dreams to Reality podcast #5.
Kesar is an influential personality. Welcome to Singapore, Kesar. So
Thank you.
glad to have you.
Thank you, Miss Sochi. Thank you. It's my honor.
He's here in Singapore and we are going to interview him. So welcome to Happiness with Hema, from dreams to reality.
Yeah.
So I think
Yes.
this seems like a really dream come reality for Kesar, because Kesar had a beautiful story to tell us, where actually he was into something where he needed somebody to bring him out, and he's actually making that life now into a reality. Yeah, Kesar?
Yeah, absolutely.
So guys, today's story is very emotional, mentally, and you can say that it's a beautiful life experience, real life experience. It's a story of hope, healing, and happiness and motivation, inspiration, lot of things. There is a big surprise too. First, my question to Miss Suchi. So Miss Suchi, does it feel to see him after so many like long years?
So I'm not seeing him after long years. In fact, I'm seeing him for the first time. Kesar is my LinkedIn connection, and we are seeing each other for the first time.
First time, yes.
And I feel very happy to see him in Singapore.
Yes.
Wow. So that was actually a news for me, because I never knew that she have never met
No.
Kesar. It was a virtual connection, right? So
Yep.
guys, I think it really falls so perfect with today's context. Who says that social media is not there to help you out? So it requires social media connection only.
Yeah, from
Can you make us like go through that experience? How was it? How was the start?
Kesar is my online connection. We are connected on LinkedIn, and from LinkedIn we made it an offline connection. Today we are seeing him personally here. So yeah, it's from online connections. We are taking our connection to offline, where we are having ice creams together at Hopscotch.
So
Okay.
Kesar, you might have seen Miss Suchi, who have helped you in a very big way, which we are going to reveal. And you had a social media connection only. You maybe by messages or maybe by post. Yeah. But how is it like meeting her personally?
I never thought that I would meet her in person. We have been connected on LinkedIn for 6 to 7 years, I guess, and we had a very we have a very beautiful bonding, and she's such a wonderful personality. Whenever you need help, you can approach her, and she's always there for you, and she always makes time for others, who suffers or who needs help, and she made a huge impact on my life as well, and
Wow.
so I'm so happy to have her in my circle.
Thank you, Kesar. You're so sweet.
Indeed, guys. So Miss Suchi is a real-time volunteer, and today is a testimony for that, right? Cheers for that.
Thank you.
Let's first finish this and
Yeah.
then do it. Otherwise, I'll keep licking.
Yeah, that look nice. Pledged.
So, Kesar, I would like to know, what was the memory which flashed in your head when you first saw Miss Suchi?
I'm so blessed to see her for the first time, because I was really excited to meet someone who who changed my life, and I'm so happy to see her. Okay, and she had a great contribution on my life, and I learned so much from her. Okay, so it's great to be here in Singapore, and it's great to see my my icon, Miss Sochi, for the first time. So I'm so
Aw,
excited.
that's so
I'm so
sweet.
excited. Yeah.
So I think when you saw her, must be a picture of angel must have
Yeah.
striked, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
She is an angel.
Absolutely. And she's a rare gem, to be honest.
She is, no
one
doubt.
one of million, one in a million, I should say. Yeah. Because when I think there is nothing greater than making someone's life easy, and the way she's helping people, it's really great in nowadays. Yeah.
So in a real life, she have touched your
Yeah.
life and
Yeah,
given you
absolutely.
inspiration and
Yeah.
motivation
Yeah, sure.
to achieve what you have achieved today,
Yeah, yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
sweet. So, Kesa, my first question from you is: would you like to share with the people so that the people get inspired? Because I think it's very important to share your experiences, not to keep it inside and then keep suffering.
Yeah.
So, would you like to share your experience in a very quick way?
Sure. Actually, for me, bad times is a part of life. Okay, it is not the end of the world. You have nothing to lose. I will tell others that don't get hard on yourself when things are not going in your way. Don't get hard on yourself. Take some time. Consult with people who can help you. Okay. Just try to be yourself. Okay. You have nothing to lose, and you have so much to offer. Okay. Life is very precious, a gift from God. If you want to make full use of it, just be yourself and take some time if things are not going on your way. And don't give up. Okay.
But
Don't
Kesa,
give up.
can you take us through what was you were going through that time, if you don't mind, so
Yeah.
that people can learn from it?
Okay, actually, I was so depressed, and the reason is I had no job, I had no financial stability, I had to support my family, so things was very tough in that moment.
So this you are talking about 8 years back, right?
Yes, 8 years back.
So you must be in your early 20s, yeah?
Yeah, early 20s. Yeah,
You must be in her early 20s, finished his, I think,
Masters.
Masters.
Yeah.
This is what he was going through, yeah.
Yeah.
Can you just...
Yeah, so and that was the moment I met someone like Miss Sochi. Okay, and we had a.
So how you met? Can you just let me know?
Yeah, we met through LinkedIn. I used to post regularly, and in one day I wrote something very fishy, something very which I should not have posted. Okay. And then Miss Suchi saw it, and she instantly approached me with kind gesture. Okay, and she made me believe that you have so much to give, you have so much to offer in the world, to the world. So you don't lose hope. You just keep working on yourself. You just keep working on your weak points. Okay, things will things will change in no time. And so I followed her instructions. Okay, I believe is that you need a coach. Sometimes you need a mentor who can help you. Who can bring most out of you. Okay, so sometimes if you are going through tough times, you just approach someone who can help you. Okay, don't stay quiet. Don't suffer. Okay,
In silence.
Silent.
Don't suffer
Yeah.
in silence.
In
Yeah.
silence, yeah.
So wow, what an experience! Like, so he just wrote one very depressing post in LinkedIn, which very sensitive and very I'll say Suchi is a very aware person. I always tell her she is very enlightened person. So maybe she have connected the dots that no, this person needs me, and she reached out to him. Who does that? So Suchi, what made you to just see, just looking at, because in a day, we see so many things, we read so many things. So what struck out you to reach out to him?
Okay, so I would say that Kesar wrote a post on LinkedIn. Now, over the years, as my role as the principal, as the coach, as a mentor, I have learned how to read between lines. So that I read between lines, and just like me, there were other coaches around the world, other life coaches, other speakers, other lovely, kind people who also approached Kesar to say that we are here if you need to speak. So that's what we did for him. Yeah.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
So nice. That's why I say you are a real-time volunteer. You walk the talk. We are a people who walk the talk, and Miss Suchi is one of it. Yeah.
And
So proud of
Kesar
you.
said that you just remember to not to suffer alone, but seek help, approach people, and share what's happening in your life, what's happening on your mind, and know that there are people who care for you, right? And they are not going to ridicule or harass, but they are just going to highlight your strengths without even mentioning your weaknesses. Yeah. So there are the people like. There are people, I mean, we were just discussing earlier that yes, it's possible. So if you are someone who is suffering in silence, you're someone who is giving up hope, you're someone who is think that this is nothing is working in your life, just pen down your thoughts and share on media, share with people around you, share with the people whom you trust, and see the miracles happen. Yeah.
And also, Miss Suchi, I really appreciate, as when I heard you both talking, and you were saying that it's like there will be people to reach out and help, but it is like I saw her giving credit to him, that whatever I told you, you have actually implemented it. Yeah. So how does that?
So I mean, instead of taking credits like I did it, I believe, and I shared, and I said that look, I only gave some suggestions and tips. Now, listening carefully, noting it down, following it, applying it, implementing it is what he did, right? So that's why I give him all the credit. Yeah.
So we are so proud of you. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm also blessed. Miss Suchi, she's a game changer actually. She's a game changer, to be honest, and such a beautiful personality, and she's always approachable. Whenever you need help, you just
Yes.
approach her. Okay, so I did the same. Whenever I talked to her, I never felt that she's in hurry, or she doesn't have time, or not like that. She's always approachable, and she gives you the tips that help, that really helps.
Practical tips. Yeah.
Practical tips.
Actually, Miss Suchi is actually, there are people who are celebrities. She is real. For
Yeah.
me,
All of us are.
we all are. Actually, we all are celebrities in our own way. But she is actually a celebrity. But then a kind of a person, humble person, kind
Yeah.
person, who, if person reach out to her, she will instantly answer back.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
like, so
Yeah.
that is a very rare quality of a true celebrity, I believe.
Yeah.
That's a real quality of
Yeah, sure.
true celebrity. Because what good the celebrities are doing if they are just being celebrity and they are making people run after you, and you are not approachable, right?
Yeah,
I
that's
always
true.
share this. I said that I minimize my social media notifications because I do not want to miss out on any such message where someone is seeking my support, help, and someone is reaching out to me. So that's why I come across as a rude or arrogant person, because I'm saying that I minimize my notifications, because the only reason is to not to miss out on such messages where someone is trying to approach me. So I always make myself available, as Kesar said. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers for that. Yeah. Well, guys, what a beautiful reminder that even a small gesture of kindness can change somebody's life so drastically. And we are so proud of you, Kesar. He is doing such wonderful job. Kesar
Thank you.
is
Thank you
very
so
big
much.
in LinkedIn, and not only he's helping himself, but he's helping many others. He is helping big brands all over. internationally also, and also planning to expand and scale his business to Dubai also. And all our best wishes to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the best wishes.
Well, today's story was so heart touching.
Yeah, so always remember that if happiness is shared, happiness is multiplied. So here at Hopscotch Gardens, by the way, Kesar, Hema and Miss Suchi, we are sharing and spreading happiness. Yay!
Well, guys, if you're somebody new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And
Follow and subscribe to Happiness with Hema.
thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kesar.
Thank you so much.
So, guys,
Thank
if
you.
this episode touched your heart, don't forget to share this episode with your friends.
Yeah, sure. Okay, bye-bye.
Sometimes single act of kindness can change someone's entire life. Let's never underestimate the power of reaching out, because what you share might just save a soul. This is Happiness with Hema signing off from dreams to reality. Until next time, stay kind and inspired.